I can't believe I'm losing my hair back here.
Like father, like son.
Yeah, right.
Look, if you want to regrow some hair, check this out.
Rogaine? Don't you need a prescription?
Not anymore.
How's it work? Rogaine goes to the root of your hair, and for some people, gets it to grow.
What have you got to lose?
Nothing, I guess, except more hair.
That's been easy to use.
And it's starting to work.
See, there's room for growth in every relationship.
Rogaine, medically proven to regrow hair.
You really think we can do this?
It's much worse than you think. Is he serious?
Always.
The impossible happens. Mission Impossible, rated PG-13, everywhere, May 22nd.
Notice anything different lately about Purdue chicken? You shouldn't, because we've been working our tails off to make sure the Purdue chicken you buy today is every bit as tender, meaty, and delicious as the chicken you bought from my dad, or even more so. It has to be because we have some of the toughest, most demanding customers out there. One slip, and I'm going to hear about it.
Not bad.
So far, so good.
Now go Tampa Bay in a big way. Book a 2-day Busch Gardens Adventure Island getaway and save on all that's new for wild things to do.
Every adventure is new. Never before have you gone where wild things go.
Packages include 2 one-day passes to both parks, plus 2 nights hotel accommodations, now starting as low as $79 a person. So make the call of the wild today.
Where wild things go.
Ladies and gentlemen, Soundgarden. Sure, all right.
On July 12th,
Your talent and my knowledge, you could be a champion.
from the idiots that brung you Dumb and Dumber, Woody Harrelson,
Miss it!
Randy Quaid,
Whoa!
Vanessa Angel,
Does anyone else want one?
I'll take a couple jugs, mugs.
Bill Murray,
Watch the door. There's this little voice in my head at the moment somebody's gonna do me wrong.
Kingpin.
Sometimes there's a 5-second delay.
Rated PG-13. Starts Friday, July 12th.
You know what go means. You've always known what go means. We're born with go up to our eyeballs. The other stuff, the stop, the can't, they have to teach us that. And some of us never learn.
Nobody knows protection like a quarterback. That's why I like Armor All Protective. Test-proof Armor All blocks up to 4 times more of the sun's damaging UV rays than the #2 brand. So don't just shine your car, armor it with Armor All.
Let's see, the Isuzu Rodeo lease. 0 down, $269 a month for 36 months. Sounds good. Option to purchase for $14,865. Must take delivery and everything, yada, yada, yada. Under the terms of this lease, Chihuahuas are acceptable. Chihuahuas? But for real fun, we strongly recommend a golden retriever. What? Driver must honk when going through tunnels or passing cows? Huh?
There are all kinds of legal requirements when you lease a new rodeo, but the most important one is that you have a good time with it. Check one out during the great Isuzu clearance event.
Why would anybody give someone they don't know a gift? Because the need is desperate. Please give blood. There's a life to be saved right now.
Have we got a machine for you? And in the hands of the right mechanic, it'll blow the doors off anything. Aim high, air.
Our exclusive menu of home-cooked meals and fast-friendly service. Our fresh beef and turkey is roasted daily. Come in for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And don't forget our all-you-can-eat Friday evening fish fry. There's sure to be something for everyone at Sandy's Restaurant, 1717 North Federal Highway, Delray Beach.
Pay
Pay-per-view's the place for action that hits the mark. Get ready.
So, now what?
To run for your life.
No more. I quit.
Because this time, you're the target.
Step outside, and I'll set you free.
From the director of Lethal Weapon, superstar Sylvester Stallone, Antonio Banderas, Julianne Moore, Assassins.
Dun, 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 dun.
Suddenly, there's Sudden Shine. Clean, shine, and protect your whole car in just minutes. Just spray and wipe, and wow, suddenly, windows are clean, water repellent, and streak-free. Suddenly, chrome sparkles, trim glistens, wheels shine. Suddenly, you're done. Now clean and shiny is fast and easy with Sudden Shine Auto Polish Treatment.
You don't know what you're up against out there, rookie.
Heavy lumber.
There's a gap. And another. See ya. They're gonna pull up at the arc. Count it.
3 seconds on the clock. Jump!
Stay out of the paint, rookie. Stay out of the paint. Oh, the humanity! You are the thing.
PlayStation, now $1.99.
Roaches have an annoying habit of making themselves at home, in your home, making their nests and laying thousands of eggs, invading your territory. Combat Superbait brand insecticide is the best way to defend your home. Roaches eat Combat and share it back at the nest, destroying the nest, eggs too. Now your home is all yours. Combat Superbait, your home's best defense against roaches.
One magazine speaks to the sailor, sailing world. Learn how to maneuver small boats in tight quarters and large ones where inches count. Read about major regattas like the America's Cup and the latest developments in professional sailing.
Guys ready?
If you want to improve your sailing performance, you should read Sailing World too.
Call 800-652-4242. Subscribe now and get 12 issues of Sailing World for only $16. Order now.
These are not the affairs of mortal men.
Hosted by Stan Lee, Marvel Superheroes. Begins at 9 p.m. Eastern, Sci-Fi Monday.
Are you ready for the truth? Hi, I'm Mitch Pileggi, Assistant Director Walter Skinner on The X-Files. Join the Sci-Fi Channel for an exclusive look at Chris Carter and the creative process behind one of the most popular shows on television. Masters of Fantasy, The X-Files creators. Only on the Sci-Fi Channel.
Friday at 7, 4 Pacific.
What's left on the cutting room floor after a film is edited is often worth a second look. Several sequences were cut from the final version of Alien. The most talked about one being when Ripley, now alone and running for her life, makes a horrifying discovery. Ridley Scott explains.
Well, there's always a pace thing to a film, and we put it all together, you know, as shot, and nothing really happens for the first 45 minutes in the movie. From then on in, it's like entering the dark house, but in the best kind of way, you know? And so the 45 minutes all stood up for me, but I know there was kind of a little bit of paranoia saying, God, nothing happens for 45 minutes. I'm saying, yeah, but look what you're looking at, you know? And you're looking at these guys wakening up. You're getting information all the time. Now, and I felt because we really got it, you know, we really got what it might be like, then it was powerful, right? So that all held position. But by the time we got to the dynamics of, you know, now she's on her own. She stumbles into that room, which is the landing leg room, and finds this, you know, hive, the nest. She finds the bodies and she finds Harry's gone, but he's clearly there and he's completely embedded in the surface in a kind of kind of strange, semi-glutinous, but very strong material, which is almost like built into fiberglass. And Scarrett is already half gone, but he's still alive. He is really the host for the insect, which is the alien.
The Dallas cocoon scene was deleted from the final film, allowing the action of the final scenes to remain uninterrupted and better paced. And now back to Alien on the SciFi Channel.
Protect your child from needless injury in an automobile accident. All children outgrow their car safety seats, but may still be too small for seatbelts designed for grown-ups. And when seatbelts are uncomfortable, kids don't wear them properly, creating the potential for danger. The answer? SafeIt, an award-winning product designed to adjust your child's seatbelt so it's worn safely and comfortably. SafeIt just slips onto the seatbelt and directs it over the shoulder rather than across the neck of your child. This crash test shows what happens in a head-on collision. The dummy in the background wears the seatbelt incorrectly, while the dummy in the foreground is properly restrained with SafeIt. Help your child get in the habit of buckling up properly. It's a habit that will last a lifetime.
Call 1-800-652-5151 and receive your SafeIt for just $14.95 plus shipping with a full 90-day money-back guarantee. Or send check or money order to the address on your screen. Order now.
An angel of death is waiting.
We have 90 days before the Earth is going to be destroyed. This one's for Mother Earth.
Within the Rock, a Sci-Fi Channel planetary premiere. Saturday, June 8th at 8 p.m., 5 Pacific.
When principal photography was completed, December 1978, Ridley Scott and editor Terry Rawlings began the arduous task of cutting the film together. They took an important lesson from Steven Spielberg's 1975 thriller, Jaws. What you don't see can be even scarier than what you do see. One of the things that they immediately realized was that views of the creature that lasted too long robbed it of its mystery and terror. In addition, they found that full views of the alien looked too much like a human in a rubber suit, as is evidenced in this outtake from the film. With the idea that less is more, Scott and Rawlings essentially began cutting the title character out of the picture. As a result, in the final film, the alien is only seen in brief shots and is never fully revealed. And now, back to Alien on the SciFi Channel.